Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be starting a new series called Boxycharm Unboxing. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's basically a monthly subscription box that you buy. And this is $21 a month. It comes with 5 full-size items. And what's great about this is that, first of all, they're full size. You pay $21, and most of the products that come in these boxes usually end up adding almost $130 to $150, and you only pay $21. And what's also great about this is that they have many known brands that they actually put into the box. So sometimes they'll give you MAC products, sometimes they'll give you Tarte. So many amazing brands, and also indie brands as well. So basically how this works is that I'm gonna go ahead and open the box in front of you guys, and then I'm gonna try on all the products on my face, and then I'm gonna give you my honest first impressions with them. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys what I liked and what I didn't like. And just to let you know, I do follow their Instagram, and they give a lot of sneak peeks of what's gonna be inside the box this month. So I do know some of the items that are gonna be in this box, but I've never ever tried any of them before. So without further ado, if you guys want to know what's inside the Boxycharm box this month, then let's get started. Let's go ahead and open the box. So this month's theme is Rock 2018, so I'm guessing everything is like rocker style. So the first thing that I'm going to pick up in this box is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. So it's basically a base primer, and we're going to go ahead and start with that for our face today because my face is so bare right now. I just can't stand it. Okay, now that you guys are really close, we're going to go back to the primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face, focusing mainly on the T-zone. So right off the bat, I'm noticing this does have a slight sheen to it. Like, it's definitely luminous looking, and it's really, really moisturizing. It's like really thick and moisturizing on the face, which I really like. This is nice. I like this. And it also has like a slight tint to it as well, but it's not really noticeable on the skin. And this retails for $38. Wow, this skinny little thing is $38. It's pretty good. Since there's no foundation in this month's box, I'm going to go ahead and take the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the shade Warm Nude. He smells of peach. Okay, so I really liked how the foundation applied over the primer. It really made my skin look really luminous and glowy almost. And this is a matte foundation. And this foundation can look really, really dry, but so far I'm blending it out and it's not bad. It's really not bad. I'm not mad about it. So I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand, and I'm going to put that under my eyes and also on my eyelids. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and move on to the brows. And the next thing in this box right here is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil in the shade Universal Taupe. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's really, really sleek and silver. And I don't do anything crazy to my brows, like I said. So I'm going to take the spoolie at the end of the brush right here. Brush my hairs upwards. Then I'm going to take the pencil side and just draw a line. Literally just Then I'm going to take the spoolie end and just brush that upwards. Just blending the color into my brows. Okay, wow, I really, really like this. This is actually so easy to use. And the product is really pigmented, so you can really just go lightly with it and it blends nicely into the brows. I really didn't even do much to my brows at all. It looks really, really nice. I really am impressed by this. And this retails for $24. So this baby right here is $24. go get yourself one because it's really, really good. Okay, so I already went ahead and set my whole entire face using Patrick's powder from GrandeCosmetics. And now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes. And in the box right here, we have this palette from GrandeCosmetics, and this is called the Glam Metals palette. And let's open this baby up. When I saw this on Instagram, it just looked so pretty, but it was definitely like out of my comfort zone. Like, I don't really wear any of these shades, but they're really, really pretty and they're fun to play around with, and it's a lot of metallic shades. So right off the bat, I don't see a transition shade, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my Jaclyn Hill palette and take a transition shade from that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's the third from the first row, and just use that as my transition shade. Okay, yeah, this is really, really hard. It's all metallic shades, so I don't know how to like transition with this. But I really want to use this shade right here. It's called Wild Thing, and I really want to go off with that color. So going back with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take this shade right here. There's a shade below the shade we first used, and I'm going to sort of deepen out my crease with that color with the same brush. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that shade and sort of just blend it all over the lid. I know it is metallic, but I kind of want to just see how it is as just a normal shade in general. Okay, so that is actually really, really pretty. It's not as metallic as I would like, but it's a really pretty dark brown shade with specks of gold glitter. So I'm going to take this really pretty copper gold shade right here. It's called Rebel. And I'm going to take my ring finger and just see how it blends in. Ooh, it's really soft. It's like really, I don't know, mousse-like. I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and take that on my ring finger and just place that. Ooh, do you guys see that? That is so pretty. That is definitely really pigmented. I really like this color. Okay, so right off the bat, applying it with your finger definitely brings out the color more and the pigmentation more. I mean, do you guys do you see that? It's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and take Wild Thing again and just sort of blend out the edges like that. And just to deepen out the whole eye, I'm going to take this bottom shade right here. It's called The Wicked. So I'm going to take that and I'm just going to place that on the outer edge of my eye just to give a more bronzy, more deeper look. And let's just see how pigmented it is. It's definitely a really pretty dark brown. Okay, so this definitely turned into like a deep rocker look. Definitely not the look I was going for, but I mean, what can you expect with this rock metal palette? So my first impressions with this, it was really, really nice. I love the colors, and I like how it's different. I like the greens and the silver tones, and I like how there's a couple warm tones with the brown shade and the copper shade, and these two sort of like bronzy and deep brown shades. I overall like the palette. Would I wear this every day? No. It's definitely out of my comfort zone. Like I said, I don't really normally wear any of these colors anyways, but it's really just a nice palette to play around with and just to have in your collection. I really like it. I love the pigmentation of the metallics. I mean, can we just... That's one swipe, guys. And this retails for $25. Wow. This is $25. That's really, really good. I really like it, but would I pay $25 for it? Probably not. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish off the eye look with some mascara. This is the Tarte's mascara, and I also got this from my Boxycharm, I believe, last month or 2 months ago, and I really, really like it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off the eyes like that. I feel like this eye look is really, really messy, but we're just going to go with the flow. Okay, the next thing in the box is this baby right here. And it is the Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palette. So this is like a bronzer, highlighter, and blush trio. This palette retails for $34. Wow. That's as close as the primer we just got. Yeah, let's just go ahead and see how this goes. I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch the bronzer. Do you guys... Oh my gosh. That is so pigmented. Let me take the blush. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That is so pigmented as a blush. I'm kind of scared to use this. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with the bronzer. It definitely has like a metallic and sheen effect. So we're just gonna go very light-handed with this product because I'm really scared on how this is gonna go. But okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the blush, and I'm just gonna lightly tap onto that and put that on the apples of my cheekbones. Ooh, that's so pretty. That blush is so pretty. It looks metallic on the pan, but it actually has a really nice sheen to it. I really like the blush. Now we're gonna go ahead with the highlighter. This looks really pretty. I didn't even swatch this because, I mean, both of these were already like super pigmented, so I wouldn't even be surprised. I don't know if you guys could even tell. It's really pretty on the skin, but it's not as pigmented as I expected it. Okay, so this highlight is so pretty. I mean, I have no other words to describe it. It just looks wet on my skin. Like, oh my god, it's so freaking beautiful. I love this. This is a yes for me. And the last thing in the box is something for the lips, and this is the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper in the shade Hot Fuchsia. Oh my god, I really don't think this is gonna work with this makeup look. But we're just gonna go ahead and just wing it. Let's just go ahead and wing it. Oh my god. That is a one bright color. Oh my gosh. This is not gonna work out, but let's go ahead and just do it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I don't like this. Can we just talk about how this completely does not match my eye look right now? I mean, I legit look like a hot mess. I don't like hot pinks on me. I personally don't think pink goes well with my skin color, or just in general, it just doesn't look good on me. I never really like hot pink lips. So I don't know how I feel about this. This retails for $27. I do love Grande lip products and just GrandeCosmetics as a brand. So this is really nice. I mean, I've tried their lip plumpers before, so I do like this. I just don't like the color. So that's just the big bummer for me. But I mean, if it was clear, I would have preferred that more. But I can feel it pumping up my lips. I can really feel it. So okay, so the overall price for this month's box is $148. That to me is insane. I feel like this is the most expensive box I've gotten so far. And they did a really good job. I liked most of the products in this box. I really like the primer. I like the eyeshadow palette. I really like the Pure Cosmetics bronzer and bronze palette, even though I don't really like the bronzer itself. And I really love the brow product in this month's box as well. The only thing I don't really like is this one, only because of the color. Yeah, this is the final look using all the products from the Boxycharm box this month. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more videos of me unboxing my Boxycharm box, then just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.